The DeadNutz Precision Square from Woodpeckers, machined with precision using wire electrical discharge machining, EDM technology, stands as a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. This tool, with an accuracy of 0.0002 inches, is perfect for calibrating various equipment, making it versatile for tasks such as setting jointer fences, restoring compound miter saws to 90 degrees, and aligning table saw blades to a flawless 45 degrees. Standing at 3.5 inches tall, this square's adaptability spans from a scroll saw to a table saw, all while being made from solid stainless steel and backed by a lifetime warranty. Available for pre-order, it anticipates shipping on January 31, 2024, promising woodworkers a blend of incredible precision and enduring quality in a single tool. Woodpeckers' phenolic clamping Cauls seamlessly marry ancient woodworking wisdom with 21st century innovation. The time-honored technique of using cambered boards for panel glue-ups finds a reliable ally in these Cauls, designed to overcome common pitfalls. Crafted from stiff phenolic material, these Cauls boast a calculated camber that exerts an impressive 225 pounds of force when clamped straight, ensuring optimal pressure for maintaining flatness during glue-ups. Unlike their wooden counterparts, Woodpeckers' phenolic Cauls eliminate concerns of flexibility and glue squeeze-out, offering a hassle-free woodworking experience. Beyond their primary role in panel alignment, these Cauls prove versatile, amplifying clamp efforts and reaching pressure points that standard clamps may miss. With Woodpeckers' phenolic clamping Cauls, woodworking traditions meet modern engineering for a reliable and efficient solution to enhance your woodworking projects. The Ego Power Plus 24-inch self-propelled 2-stage XP snowblower with peak power delivers gas-beating performance without noise and fumes. Its 24-inch design, heated grips, and trigger-controlled steering enhance comfort and control. The 2-in-1 chute adjustment and 200-degree directional control ensure efficient snow removal. Powered by two Ego 56V ARC lithium batteries with peak power plus technology, it handles tough conditions and plow remnants, throwing snow up to 50 feet. With included 10 0A ARC lithium batteries, it clears a 24-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge. The variable speed self-propelled feature and 4 LED lights ensure optimal visibility during tasks. The Woodpeckers Rout-N-Plane bench-top board mill is a compact and portable tool designed for both woodworking hobbyists and professionals. With quick adjustments to accommodate various board thicknesses from 3/4 inches to 3, this benchtop mill ensures easy setup and storage. Its safe operation guides the router across the board, preventing kickback and ensuring accuracy, while compatibility with a range of routers adds versatility. This tool's precision design delivers a perfectly flat surface, squares edges with precision, and thickness planes boards, eliminating the need for a jointer or planer for wide boards. Notably user-friendly, it is an efficient solution for beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike, offering time and effort savings in woodworking projects involving wide boards. The Milwaukee M12 brushless rotary tool stands as a compact powerhouse, delivering exceptional performance across cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing applications, catering to the exacting demands of professional tradespeople. Its key features include a potent brushless motor reaching up to 30,000 revolutions per minute and 3.5 foot-pounds of torque, providing unmatched performance. The 12-speed variable speed control, ranging from 2,500 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, ensures precise control during various tasks. The tool's compact and ergonomic design guarantees comfortable handling even during prolonged use. The quick change collet system facilitates accessory changes without the need for a wrench, enhancing efficiency. Illuminating workpieces, the LED work light aids visibility, while the red lithium battery technology ensures enduring power. The Makita Outdoor Adventure LXT 18 volts cordless high-speed blower inflator boasts a brushless motor, delivering optimal performance at an impressive 447 miles per hour and 39 CFM. With a continuous runtime of 55 minutes on a single charge, this tool is designed for efficiency. Featuring 5 nozzles and 4 digitally controlled speeds, it adapts to various applications. Compactly designed at 7 inches in length, it excels in smaller spaces. The tool's balanced design, inline fan and blower filter ensure smooth, durable performance. Equipped with an LED light for illumination in dark spaces, it enhances versatility. The rapid optimum charger with a built-in chip and fan enables quick charging, with a digital display indicating the charging level. Compatible with Makita batteries and chargers, this tool comes with a 3-year limited warranty. The Makita 18 volts LXT Compact LED flashlight power source is a dual-purpose tool designed for versatility and convenience. Powered by a Makita 18V LXT lithium-ion battery, it delivers a runtime of up to 29 hours, making it an efficient choice for extended use. With a bright LED light featuring 3 brightness settings and a spotlight mode, this compact and lightweight flashlight provides adaptable illumination. Notably, it doubles as a power source with a USB port for charging external devices like smartphones and tablets. Durable, weather-resistant, and suitable for various conditions, this flashlight meets the needs of both professionals and DIYers, offering a powerful and reliable lighting solution. The Makita 18 volts LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless 6-inch pruning saw is a powerhouse for pruning and trimming tasks, driven by an efficient 18 volts LXT brushless motor, delivering up to 1,700 SPM for swift cutting. Its 6-inch bar and chain effortlessly handle branches up to 6 inches in diameter, and the tool's lightweight and compact design enhance maneuverability in tight spaces. Variable speed control adapts to diverse tasks, while automatic chain lubrication ensures smooth, efficient cutting. The toolless chain tensioning system simplifies adjustments, and a safety lock prevents accidental starts, emphasizing user safety. This saw combines power, versatility, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for tackling pruning and trimming challenges with efficiency and precision. The KleinTools Glow-End Extension Cord is a 25-foot powerhouse designed for convenience and safety. Equipped with LED glow-end indicators that shine 20 times brighter than standard ones in the presence of power, it ensures easy visibility in dark conditions, reducing the risk of accidents. Crafted from durable PVC and TPE materials resistant to oil, water, and chemicals, this cord is built to withstand harsh conditions. With a 13-amp 1,625-watt rating, it caters to various applications, while the 25-foot length provides ample reach. Safety features such as a strain relief connector and a lighted end cap enhance its reliability. Overall, the KleinTools Glow-End Extension Cord is a versatile, durable, and safety-focused tool ideal for both home and workshop use. The KleinTools ET140 Moisture Meter stands as a crucial asset for homeowners, contractors, and property managers, offering non-invasive, pinless moisture detection in materials like drywall, masonry, hardwood, and softwood. With its ability to detect moisture up to 3/4 inches depth, this compact and portable meter provides audible alerts, auto power-off, and visual notifications for efficient operation. Calibrated for various materials, it aids in preventing moisture damage to walls, floors, and ceilings, making it particularly useful during inspections of newly installed drywall or masonry. Whether identifying water leaks, plumbing problems, or checking moisture levels in hardwood floors, the ET140 offers versatility, ease of use, and quick interpretation of results. The KleinTools adjustable hole saw with auto-set arms emerges as a versatile cutting tool for a range of materials, including drywall, ceiling tile, wood and plastic, with a cutting diameter range spanning 2 to 7 inches. Boasting an integrated gearing mechanism, this hole saw facilitates effortless size adjustment, ensuring quick and precise cuts. The spring-loaded collar aids in maintaining blade centering, contributing to controlled and clean cuts. Further enhancing its functionality, the durable polypropylene dust bowl comes equipped with an integrated vacuum port for effective debris containment and easy cleanup. Whether utilized by DIY enthusiasts or professionals, this tool stands out for its ease of use and its ability to deliver clean, precise cuts across various projects. The Hilti Neuron RT6 22 cordless rivet tool stands as a versatile and powerful solution for efficient cladding installation and metal fabrication, accommodating steel or aluminum rivets. Part of the Hilti Neuron battery platform, known for its longevity and comprehensive services, this tool boasts a 25 mm stroke length and 4 nose-piece sizes for ultimate versatility in handling common steel, aluminum, and stainless steel rivets. Upgraded ergonomics, including a contoured grip and balanced design, ensure reduced hand strain during prolonged use, while adaptability for various positions and enhanced durability contribute to its overall efficiency. The Neuron battery platform adds the benefits of longer-lasting batteries and comprehensive services, making the Hilti Neuron RT6 22 a valuable asset for professionals requiring efficiency, comfort, and versatility in their riveting tasks. The Makita 40V Max XGT cordless 13/16-inch SDS Plus AVT rotary hammer kit with dust extractor is a robust and versatile tool designed for demanding demolition and drilling tasks. Its brushless motor delivers an impressive 5.5 J of impact energy, enabling efficient concrete braking. The inclusion of active feedback technology, AFT, enhances safety by electronically shutting off the motor if bit rotation is abruptly halted, preventing kickback and potential injuries. Additionally, anti-vibration technology, AVT, minimizes vibration and fatigue, ensuring user comfort during extended use. The dust extractor maintains a clean workspace, while the Auto Start Wireless System, AWS, automatically controls the dust extractor's power based on the rotary hammer's status. The Makita 40V Max XGT cordless 17.3/4-in fan is a formidable and versatile solution for cooling needs in diverse environments, delivering a powerful airflow of up to 2,800 CFM, powered by a 40V Max XGT battery. Its 360-degree oscillation ensures flexible airflow direction, and its durability is underscored by a rugged, impact-resistant housing with an IPX 4-water resistance rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Packed with user-friendly features such as variable speed control, a telescoping pole for height adjustment, and a hanging hook for convenient storage, this fan offers customization and practicality. While its robust performance and durability cater to general users, professionals appreciate its ability to withstand daily rigors, earning praise for its power, long runtime, and ease of use. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 4.5-inch, 5-inch dual-trigger braking grinder revolutionizes angle grinders with dual-trigger activation for heightened safety and a 15-position permanent side handle enhancing control. Boasting auto-stop kickback control and rapid stop braking, it effectively prevents severe kickback and halts accessories in under 1 second. With a 4-mode variable speed, it offers superior control across materials. One-key compatibility enables wireless tool tracking and management via smartphone, while the PowerState brushless motor provides 11A corded power for tackling tough grinding and cutting tasks. This grinder sets a new standard, combining safety, control, and power in a single tool. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.